J. Spyder Isaacson. This track is made available for use by anyone, and no attribution or compensation is expected. Well, look who's here. I thought you weren't coming. Oh, I see. Well, put your coat over there and grab a drink. So, where were we? Oh, yeah. So my boss says to me that I need to work late, and I tell him that if he wants me to work late, he's going to have to pay me overtime. You think he likes that? What'd he do? He told me that he can get a college grad to do my job for half the price. Well, I told him, try it. Hey, are those snacks fresh? Let me have one. Tasty. Ow! What is this? A snail? I think I chipped a tooth. Oh, excuse me. I better go call a dentist. Oh, no. Look who just walked in. Can you believe her wearing a dress like that? That's not his wife. I'm so excited. This is my first time at a soiree like this. Oh, isn't that too adorable? Who's got the glasses? Isn't there anything to drink? I hope you don't mind, but we're going to have to leave early. I'm here. The party can start. I definitely need another one. That was the babysitter. We need to go. No, that's not what I'm saying at all. Well, I don't care. I happen to think he's the best actor of our generation.